Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I'm going to do finally this Kona Brewing Company Big Wave Golden Ale. Sounds good right now. It's been a busy day, hot day. There's just something about this one that looks like it's probably going to be refreshing. Has that appearance. Smells good. It is a 4.4% alcohol by volume. It says, our sun-drenched Big Wave Golden Ale is a smooth brew inspired by what makes Hawaii great. Catch a wave year-round. The waves that roll onto Hawaiian beaches are some of the best in the world. Catch the crest of a breaking wave and ride it all the way in. Sounds good. I don't surf. I barely swim, so you know. Alright, this produced no head. I didn't really pour it aggressively either, but let's see. It has a golden, kind of a golden lager look to me. Looks like a, if you didn't know better, I don't know, maybe it's a little more golden than what a regular American adjunct lager beer would look like, but it smells like a Mexican beer to me. A Latin beer. It's kind of sweet. There's a little bit of a grapefruit in there, actually. A little citrusy. All right, let's get into this. Yeah. Wow. That is good. Light grapefruit. Very citrusy. The carbonation was medium. It's a very clear beer, as you can see. Oh, it's probably light to medium, but more on the light side of body. Very refreshing, like I thought it was going to be. Very crisp, very juicy. Very good flavor beer. Very light bitter. Very light dry, maybe just a little bit. The dryness kind of goes away, actually. It's pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. Blonde, golden ale. Alright. Well, these people aren't surfing. They're, I guess it's like what the Hawaiian people would be, you know, traveling in. A canoe type boat. Okay. Well, this is very good. Excuse me. I don't really have any more to. I almost want to say corn, but I don't know. Because I kind of got the hint of the adjunct lager type taste, but I don't know. That's kind of a hard description. It's a good flavored beer. If you haven't tried this one from Kona Brewing Company, try this one. Big Wave. I've been trying to find all these I can, because so far I've been pretty impressed with them. So, alright. Well, we'll end it there. And this was the cap. I bent it. I put a dent in the top of it. Terry from Terry's Beer Reviews has this one bottle opener that looks really impressive. It's kind of shaped like a cup. You put it on there and it just kind of pops right off. I don't know if, I think I might have seen them somewhere before, but not to where I remembered it. And then when I saw him use it on one of his beer reviews, it brought to mind as something that I would like to have. Because I kind of like to have these not all bent up, if I can, you know, the caps. And I can't take them off very good without bending them up, unless they're twist off. But yeah, I'd like to get my hands on one of those that he's got. One of those kind of removers. Okay, well, we'll end it there. And I appreciate you watching. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.